update. Real quick one. We got the hood on it. We took the old grill off. We got a new grill. Got to put it on order. Got my bumper welded up the way I want it. Smoothed out. I got to do the body work on it. Got it set the way I want it. Got the back end done the way I want it. I got to do some sanding and body work, prime it, paint it. But I got all the roll pan down there nice and extended out long and low, so it covered up the gas tank. Everything's covered. I can see the tailpipes. So got some extra seals. I welded across the raised the floor of my bed. She's breathing and sucking air and annoying the neighbors. Got good brakes on it. That's good. Anyway, there's the update. New windows, windshield wipers are in it. I got to do a bunch of body work, so I'm just trying to get it all assembled. Then I'm going to sand it all down and prime it again and repaint it. And I'll keep you posted. It's either going to be all red, it's going to be all red with black trim. But I changed to 52 to 54 door handles because I don't like the way the 51 sags, so I'm going to put the push buttons in there. I just like them better. So anyway, that's where we're at. Talk to you later.